Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kingsley Divaraj Video Director Operation Kauvery Hospital Chennai kebelang kawin gislam ajing sumar kepau nam ha India ulapen menai ke jimpli patba heki health center beningkong hasorba Guwahati ha ka arpotrik una pra arjar arpusan kini ke health center kebadan ha gejala Assam kan ajing Shakri heki nongpang ha jing sumar bapera-per lakade ha ka cardiac sciences neurosciences orthopedics oncology but transplant services kenang ban pentikna bagi nongpang nagariga thaj te lamingi kenyo ke jing sumar hagapor kababiang u Dr. Aravindan Selvaraj ubri co-founder baru executive director jang Kauvery Hospital lebendra baga Kauvery Hospital kan ai ke jing sumar kabiaringkan kumlalong hak hospital kebadon ha Chennai badaki we kinong ba jongkari ke Kauvery Hospital kedon ru lightly kislam ajing sumar bekongsan ha Chennai kui ha al warped kebadan alspa san pojing tia ke ajing sumar ha cardiac sciences organ transplant neurosciences orthopedics women and child health but emergency kin thop ke critical care ke Kauvery Hospital ha radial road Kovi Lambakam kebadan san spa jing tia kedon ye ke jing sumar ha oncology robotic surgery neurosciences, trauma care, transplant care, but ke modern emergency department, kebadan ru ke medical technology, ke bakat kum kejuk menta. Sekuai pat ke Kauvery Hospital, Havada Palani, kebadan ars paksan pojing tia, ke ajing sumar ha ke multi-organ transplants, minimally invasive surgery, gastrosciences, orthopedics, women's health and high-end critical care. Kadba ke health center bertama ha Guwahati kedoni ke jingede ke bajan bak kiru syampang jong ke Kauvery ke ba ailat ke dongpang beniyo ke second opinion bat ke jing sumar klaim daran kamen le jengai
Their arms at the earliest with good physiotherapy program. So I'm happy to invite you all to the one of the best center here, and we'll be visiting here every month to give you the better treatment. Thanks a lot.
Good morning, one and all. Thank you, press people, for having this great gathering. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this opening of our Kauvery Center. As you know, Kauvery is a well-established center in Chennai. We do, from cardiac point of view, we do all advanced procedures from cardiac surgeries to minimally invasive structural heart disease to all the electrophysiological studies. Everything top to bottom in cardiology is being done in Chennai by Kauvery Hospital. We have 3 branches in Chennai. All the branches equally contribute to advanced cardiac care. So we want to spread the wings to across Northeast starting.